I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the in-game menu and navigating straight to Settings, then Controls. This is where you change input mapping and sensitivity. Make sure to back up the current profile now so you can revert if needed. Once done, identify the specific Ultra Warp ride actions, thrust, brake, camera, and warp trigger, so you know which bindings to change. You'll want to note any conflicting buttons before remapping, because resolving conflicts avoids accidental inputs during high-speed maneuvers. Now you remap each Ultra Warp ride control deliberately. Select an action, then press the new key or controller button to bind it. This ensures responsiveness when you need it. Also tweak analog sensitivity and dead zones so small stick movements don't trigger warp unintentionally, while full deflection remains sharp. Once you assign a set, immediately test them in a low-stakes zone. That lets you refine timing and responsiveness. If needed, iterate. Small adjustments improve consistency under speed and reduce input errors. Finish by saving your profile and applying changes so the new controls take effect. Unsaved edits get lost if you quit. Then run a full Ultra Warp ride sequence from entry to exit to confirm every input behaves as expected under real conditions. If something feels off, make one targeted tweak at a time, then retest. This isolates the cause. Troubleshoot by loading your saved backup, clearing conflicting binds, or resetting dead zones. Those steps fix most issues without redoing your entire setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.